The advertisement you're about to see is for... The advertisement you're about to see is for... The advertisement you're about to see is for...
Electricity.
Such clean designs. Very tasty.
Ben disbelieves.
More hilarious ups and downs in the suburbs as we find out that life begins at 40.
To help keep my hands soft and pretty.
Well, now there's...
Between the programmes on Channel 4.
And Channel 4. It's
one thing. But I personally find
the most vulgar, disgusting,
unadulterated... And most powder... The bits between the programmes...
is one thing. But I personally find that kind of...
Between the programmes on Channel 4.
Personally find that...
vulgar guise of charge.
Few, however, would deny it.
And it'll again be very cold.
2 chances to win 50,000.
Wouldn't you? Little milk chocolate on the outside.
Open up your eyes.
When the time is right, see one.
More hilarious.
And most powder... The bits between the programmes on Channel... Between the programmes on Channel 4. I saw a few...
And Channel 4.
Me, the most vulgar, disgusting, unadulterated filth I have seen or heard on television. Another comedy programme at 8:30, which is family viewing...
Your move.
In that discussion, it seemed to me to be
Don't
coherent...
be patronising. The advertisement you're about to see is for...
That he is a Polish Jew. At 8:40, Mastermind.
If you have a wink that's very, very close to the pot, like...
And now this week's Songs of Praise. And now this week's Songs of Praise. And now this week's Songs of Praise find...
Look at it now, though.
Fun, now on 4.
I felt I had to come in and complain about the
You're watching Channel 4.
This is Border Television, and the time is 9:45.
News from the BBC with
Made with real.
Until then, from all of us at Channel 4 and me, Ali Ballantyne, a warm and a peaceful good night.
The advertisement you're about to see is for...
You're watching Channel 4.
Let's see what the That's Life team have been up to this week.
This is Border Television, and the time is 9:45.
From all of us at Channel 4 and me, Ali Ballantyne, a warm and a peaceful good night.
Now, with the time at almost 8 minutes to midnight, on behalf of all of us here on BBC Jazz, presented by Peter Clayton, which includes After Midnight, you a very good night.